What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Rambo. Back at you with another video. Man, I can't tell you how excited I am. I'm pretty sure I can see in the back. Yes, sir. It is here. Hey, but before we get into this, make sure we about to unpack these things. And we about to see what we got in here. So make sure y'all go below, subscribe to the channel, hit a little notification bell, like this video, so y'all can follow the build of Rainbow. But after this, I gotta slow down a little bit because my wife get mad. But alright, before we get into this unboxing, here's the intro. Alright, box number one. So much tape on this thing. We about to get ready. So much pain. See what we got. Arrows. Keep that. Spine. Tools. Like bracket. Bracket. And we got the stickers and everything in here. 2-gallon tank. So this takes it. So that's box number one. Let me tell you what kind I got. Best believe this will be going on my trunk. I need that sponsorship. So Hornblasters, sponsor me, sponsor. Don't worry, y'all be tagging this video, so don't worry about it. I'll make sure y'all see me. Yeah, so yeah, which one order? I know it's a okay, whatever. Single one is a 240. I know it's a 240. I know that. Sorry about the extra noise. My nephew's playing upstairs. So sorry about all the extra noise. Alright, fast forward. Head and move, y'all. I don't know. Alright, fast forward. Head and move, y'all. But we're back at it. That is sharp. Yes, sir. So you got 4 trumpets. Yes. And right here we got pressure tank. Alright, let's put some stuff on that name. Alright, y'all can see. So now I gotta clean up. So I know this was a quick one, but we just had to go through, man. I'm too excited, man. Shout out to Hornblasters, Top, and the train horn, air horn gang. So if you ain't got the money to spend, don't spend it. So yeah, don't blow your temper, blow your horn. Hey, what's the point of having a temper? We just blow your horn at people. So man, when this get put in, we about to get real ignorant with it. So man, make sure I stay tuned, make sure I subscribe to the channel. Love these pranks because we about to go in with these things. If you want to be a part of it, let me know. Let me know. Cause I'm ready to get real ignorant. I don't know about y'all. But alright y'all, I gotta go because as you can see I'm still in my referee kid. Yeah, I'm a hustler. I do whatever it takes to make money. But yeah man, I'm just in my referee kid. I gotta go home and take a shower. And I'm gonna go see my son and my wife. So yeah man. Alright y'all, I'm out of here. Make sure y'all go below, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the pranks that are gonna start as soon as this go in. As soon as this go in, I'm telling you. Alright man, I'm out of here. I know I've been talking too much. Alright, peace.